Alright, so I want to start this session as a, really, really easy way to get you started to doodling. And I want you to, be more brave, okay? And it's not so hard to start drawing, okay? And don't have doubts. Say, hey, right now is the world of AI. You don't need to draw, right? And if you learn drawing, you're never going to be as good as AI. Don't have the doubts. Learn about the art do helps and can greatly improve because I personally am also working as a programmer as well as the game developer as well as digital artist. I know from the first-hand experience how what I learn, what I understand, what I can do can greatly improve the whole workflow. Okay, so I want to quickly get you started. Okay, so I'm using Clip Studio Paint. You can use whatever software. Doesn't really matter because we're going to just use in Clip Studio Paint there's a G Pen. So basically I'm using the Japanese version because I'm doing a project in Japanese, and I got tons of courses facing my Japanese students. So I changed that to Japanese version. But doesn't really matter if you got like English version. You can just say P, right? You just press P, you will automatically got this and choose the first, like plain vanilla paint like this. Okay, really really simple one. And what I'm gonna do is to have a raster layer, and then you can draw. Okay, just use this one. Okay, doesn't really matter if you don't even want to buy this software or don't even want to use paint digitally. You put out your notebook. Okay, you got your like ball pen or I don't know some marker. You can still get this kind of effect. Okay, as long as that's okay. Let's get started.